So you want to start playing Kill Team, but you want to find the cheapest way just to see if you're going to like it. Dice are rolling, armies are marching. This is Tabletop Nexus. What is the cheapest way to play Kill Team? This isn't tournament rules, this is just a friendly play with you and your buddies at the local game shop. In this video, I'll show you the cheapest way. We can probably keep it under $10 to build 2 kill teams, where small squads of elite operatives battle over objectives. Instead of mass armies, you command just a small handful of highly specialized models, making it cheaper, quicker to get started than Warhammer 40k. So what you actually need to play kill teams, you need models, you need something to measure with, you need some rules, you need some dice, and you need tokens. Those are the basic things, and you can come up with a unique variety of ways to come up with those items. For the rules, there's a free app. You can go to Warhammer Kill Team app, I believe is what it's called, and it has free rules, data cards, everything you need to start playing. There are light rules, so eventually if you really get into it, you'll need the cool rule book. You could also, and if you don't have dice, get a dice rolling app. That takes care of your dice problem. For miniatures, you can go to any store and buy Army Men, or your D&D collection, you can pull from those, or if you have just small figurines laying around, you can use those to play Kill Team. It is a quick and easy way to get into it to see if you're even going to like the hobby, because most Kill Team boxes range from $50 to $90. So instead of spending that money, you can get small miniature military guys for $6-7. You can make 2 armies out of it, and that will let you play. You get the free rules. They'll give you a good understanding if you're even going to like playing the game. But I will say this is a fantastic game to get into and play. Once you have your army, once you have your rules, once you have your dice, your measuring, then you need a board and terrain. For terrain, you can use anything. You can use cereal boxes. You can use stuff you have laying around in the house. You can buy other board games and pull that terrain out. I have magnetic tiles that I'm modifying to make a magnetic board. I have a hero skateboard that I make a full-scale tower board. There's plenty of options you can play and you can use. You can also find cheap armies on eBay or Craigslist or Facebook groups. Spend a couple dollars, get some minis that you want, but do not rush to buy every faction box. Certain factions are good, certain factions are not your playstyle. You will not like them, you will not like building them. Others you will love building. And then there's the painting side. Are you going to enjoy painting these models? So stick with your armament or other miniatures you get. You can download the rules, and then you can also use those miniatures for any army to get to see if you will like that playstyle or not. It's a quick and easy way to play almost every team or kill team without spending hundreds of dollars or thousands of dollars on all the different factions. But if you want to play Kill Team and you want actual Kill Team models, the rules in hand, a light core book, the tokens, the dice, get the Kill Team starter set. It's under $100. It has everything you need to start the game. Gives you 2 teams, gives you the board, terrain. I mean, it's a great starting point. Okay, you decided you didn't want to do the super cheap budget entry point. You wanted to pick up the starter set. So let's see what you get inside the starter set. So the starter set comes with tokens, objective markers, your concealment tokens, your other tokens you need. Comes with measuring devices. Well, actually, it comes with one of those. I have the other extra pair in here. You'll have to pick up 2. I definitely would get a caddy to hold all this stuff in. We went over dice that you needed. The starter set also comes with the Angels of Death Space Marines. They're one of the starter sets. It also comes with the Plague Marines. So you have 2 functioning teams. They come already colored blue in green. I'm in the process of painting them Mice Touch.